Hello guys, Mr. Zabis here. Let's today install the missing program I usually use to show you the key I press. So let's install it. Screenkey it's called. Okay, now let me run it. Well, I have an alias, so let me show you. So this is the alias, just multi-line, position, fixed, and this is like geometry, the location. You can check the site of the Screenkey if you wanna get more info about that, but it's not really necessary. Just you can do it graphically. Just let me show you. So let's run it. Yep, and in the background. Cool. So this is the programs here. So let's set it up. Okay, let it be composed. Backspace mode. I'm not sure what it is. Like let it be full. Modifiers, I don't know, Linux. And let's say you want to show everything, then I tick this one. Otherwise, it will show only with the modify keys like Control something, Shift something. Always show Shift. And the rest is good. And just set the colors. I think I was using something like that. Yes. Yeah, you can select mouse if you want, but I don't think it's really cool to show the mouse. So and if I go and let's type something like top. Yeah, with these settings, you have to be careful if you use this software, because if you type passwords, then people will see it, obviously. Okay, F2. Yeah, it shows as well. Exit. Exit. Now let's close it. I can see it. And again, another tab, the terminal. And if I select this mode, show modifier sequences only. In that case, I type top, but you won't say anything. And if I press F2, it's also won't show. But if I press like Control D, that you will see. This is what I was using actually. But I don't know, in some cases maybe useful also to just use this setting here, like show everything. But you have to be careful with this one. So yeah, that's it. See you guys.